Windows are an essential part of any home, offering natural light, ventilation, and a beautiful view of the outdoors. However, like all things in a home, windows have a lifespan and eventually need to be replaced. As a Sugar Land homeowner, you may wonder when it's time to replace your windows. Recognizing the early signs of window issues can save you money on costly repairs and ensure your home remains energy efficient and secure. Here's how to spot the signs that your Sugar Land windows may need replacing. Drafts and poor insulation. If you feel drafts around your windows, especially during the colder months, this is one of the most obvious signs that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Leaky windows allow air from outside to enter your home, which causes your HVAC system to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. This leads to increased energy bills. The frame of the window could be compromised, or the weather stripping could be worn out. In Sugar Land, where summers can be particularly hot, this issue is more than just uncomfortable. It can lead to excessive energy consumption as you try to keep your home cool. If weather stripping repairs don't solve the issue, window replacement might be necessary. Condensation between glass panes. Modern windows are designed with multiple panes of glass to enhance insulation and prevent energy loss. If you notice condensation or fog developing between the glass panes, it is a clear indication that the seal has failed. This is often a problem with double-pane windows, which have an insulating layer of air or gas between the glass layers. The moisture trapped between the panes not only obstructs your view but also reduces the efficiency of your windows, making your home less energy efficient. If this issue persists despite cleaning the windows, it's time to consider replacing them. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If your windows are stiff, difficult to open, or get stuck in the frame, it's a sign that the window frame has become warped or damaged. Warping can occur over time due to humidity, extreme temperatures, or poor quality materials. In Sugar Land, the high humidity levels can be a contributing factor to this issue, as moisture in the air can cause wooden frames to expand and contract. Windows that are hard to operate can be frustrating and unsafe, especially in emergencies where quick evacuation may be needed. If lubrication or minor adjustments don't fix the problem, window replacement may be the best solution. Visible damage or decay. Regular wear and tear can lead to visible damage in your windows. Check for cracked glass, chipped frames, or rotting sills, especially if you have wooden window frames. Over time, exposure to the elements, including the Texas heat, rain, and humidity, can cause damage to window materials, leading to cracks or warping. This not only affects the window's appearance but also its functionality and security. If you spot visible damage that cannot be repaired easily, it's a sign that replacing the window may be the most cost-effective option. Additionally, replacing windows with energy-efficient models can enhance your home's overall appearance and curb appeal. Rising energy bills. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Old or damaged windows allow heat to escape in the winter and enter your home during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If your energy costs have been steadily rising and you've already taken steps to upgrade your insulation, it could be time to look at your windows. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can reduce your utility bills and improve your home's comfort. Noise from outside windows that don't effectively block out noise from the outside world could be another indicator that they are no longer working efficiently. This is particularly noticeable if you live in a busy area or near a highway in Sugar Land, where outside noise can become a nuisance. Newer windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing, provide better sound insulation, offering a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. If you find that outside noises are becoming increasingly bothersome and your windows are old or single pane, it may be time to replace them with newer, more soundproof options. Age of the windows. Even if you haven't noticed any major issues, the age of your windows can be a telltale sign that it might be time for a replacement. Most windows last anywhere from 15 to 30 years, depending on the materials used and the local climate. If your windows are approaching or surpassing this age range, they may be less efficient, more prone to damage, and harder to maintain. Conclusion: your windows are an integral part of your home's functionality and aesthetic. If you notice any of the signs above, such as drafts, condensation, visible damage, or rising energy bills, it's important to consider window replacement. Not only will this enhance your home's comfort and energy efficiency, but it will also improve its curb appeal and security. In Sugar Land, where the weather can be extreme, investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows is a smart decision for homeowners looking to protect their homes and save on utility costs in the long run.